My name is Ian Lively. I'm a crew lead on the post-fire pollinator project here at OSU. Here, after we have collected all of the bees from our BVTs out in the various plots, we bring them back here to the lab and we clean them. If they need cleaning, we process them, pin them, give them individual number labels and site locations. And then we spend some quality time with a key and a scope. We identify out all of the various species and genera that we have in our stands. We're doing that to compare diversity and abundance in different treatment types to see how fire severity affects pollinator and plant communities in our sites, as well as management actions such as salvage logging in the same types of sites also affects pollinator communities.
Cool. So what's a key?
A key is a collection of couplets and characters that you look for on our bees to narrow down which species or genus it is. So each one is set up. You have two choices and you have two alternatives, and it's some physical characteristic like this part of the wing is curved in this way, or it has one or two cells here, or it's got a certain shape, and you look at your specimen under the scope and compare between the two characters and decide which one it is, and then it keeps working your way down to sends you to a next set of couplets.
Cool.
Takes you all the way down to which species or genus it is.
Is this the key here for the bumblebees?
This is a kind of a field guide, but it also has a key at the back that we use.
For bumblebees only, right? This whole book?
Yep, this is just for bumblebees in North America.
How many bumblebees have you seen in our study sites? This is your second year on the project.
Yes, how many
species?
I don't have a number off the top of my head, but I probably say about like 8 or 10. I'd have to look at the data sheet to be completely confident in that answer.
8 or 10 types of bumblebees alone.
Yeah, and that's just one genus out of the many different that we have here. We've got carpenter bees, we've got sweat bees, we've got mason bees, digger bees, longhorn bees, just to name a few. Leafcutter bees.
Cool. Why do you like working in the lab?
Well, it's a little less intense than our field sites. It's a nice place of recovery and rest, but it's also where I get to interact with the bees themselves the most. Out in the field we get to see them flying around and visiting the flowers and everything. It's very, very exciting. But here I get to see them up close and personal and get to see their cute little faces and all their interesting colors and whatnot.
Perfect.